I desire. I go receive my revenge.
We finally arrived.
Come on, go and sit down. I go just para. Come on, my jigger. I go just stay. Follow my dreams. I'm feeling fine sometimes.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello guys, we are traveling together. I'm super excited for this journey and experience because it's the first time Nalwena we are traveling together. So I already went to ShopRite to get some few things. I got snacks just for me to snack because where I'm going they're going to provide us with most of the things. So yesterday I was doing my nails, guys. I was doing my nails. Super proud of myself. Like, look at that. I don't know if you can see properly, but I'm super proud of myself. So yeah, so now all I have to do is to start packing the bag. We're not going for many days, but I think this bag is big because I think we're only going for one night, not 2 nights. But I'm going with this bag anyways because I don't have a smaller bag. So anyways, let's start packing.
Trust my neighbors as that day comes, as I go. God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbor.
Hello guys, so now it's lunchtime, it's break time, it's just time to catch some breath because we've been learning for a long period of time. So I'll see you guys. So here is the outfit of the day. Semi-casual. I'm wearing this shirt, this blazer, and this shoes. See you later.
I'm alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alive, alert, awake. I'm alive, alert, awake, enthusiastic.
In every room that you enter in, people know who you are and what you do. That's effective. Everywhere you go, everyone knows who you are and what you do.
This is so nice, right?
arrived. Let's do a room tour now. Let's do a room tour.
Tobalo komacho, yeah. Tobalo makomacho, yeah. Nobody know tomorrow. Choro kachoro.
So guys, this is my roommate. I don't even know your name. What's your name? Oh, Connie M. Okay, Connie M. So excited to go with Connie M. I believe that it's going to be an amazing night. So let's do that room tour that I spoke about. So this is the bathroom. Oh, they have a bath. And they also have a shower. Isn't that great? So if someone is using the shower, the other person can just simply use a bathroom. That's thoughtful of them. Very demure. Very thoughtful. Guys, I just came back from swimming. Yeah, I feel super cold. I feel super cold. I don't wanna lie.
Create in me a clean heart and purify me. Purify me. Create in me a clean heart so that I
Good morning.
should know, so that I may want. Go fumble. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my neighbors. As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me.
So guys, right now we are going out to eat breakfast, and then afterwards we are going to start attending. Yesterday we attended from 8 o'clock to 4. I think even today it's going to be the very same thing. I hope that it's going to be an amazing day. Let's spend this day together.
As that day comes, as I go, God, watch over me, oh Lord. I cannot trust my.
I just want you to be mindful about your icebreaker. Remember that it's for your audience.
Now it's time to check out. We are going back home. Back to reality, Kesana.